Okay, here we are on a betting exchange. You can pretty much use any betting exchange, they're all similar in function. This just happens to be my favourite one. We're going to use it to explain the difference between backing and laying the bet and how you go about it in a typical exchange environment. So here we've got the 7:45 Stoke and Scunthorpe match, and down the left we've actually got the possible outcomes, and we have odds basically split into two sections. So we've got back odds on the left hand side and we've got lay odds on the right hand side. On the back odds side, if we think an event's going to happen, so in this case I might think that Stoke are going to win this match, then I can take available odds. At the top you'll see the odd number, at the bottom you'll see the amount of money that's available at that odds level. So for example here I'm just going to put £1 on. Obviously I want the best odds I can get, so on the right hand side of kind of the back odds column you can see the best odds 1.65, and I could put £306 on if I wanted to, but I've only got £1 to go on. If I have more than £306, so I wanted to put £400 on, then I used up all of the 1.65 and the best available odds would be the 1.64. So that would actually move the market slightly, and obviously I wouldn't be able to get all my bet matched at 1.65, I'd have to take some of it 1.64. So what we do, if we click the button, you can see it comes up with a little form that asks me how much I want to bet and what odds I want. I can actually ask for odds here, so if I decided I wanted 1.66 and put in my pound, I have to click confirm bet. Rather than taking the odds on display, I'm asking for 1.66, so that this number here has actually gone up, so we're waiting for someone to match our bet. Had I taken the 1.65, it would have got matched straight away. So if I change that to 1.65 and submit it, I've now got £1 on Stoke at odds of 1.65. If Stoke win, I get a profit of 65p. On this exchange they show you the potential amounts you're going to win and lose on the actual options just underneath. So you see there, if Stoke win I get 65p, but if Scunthorpe win or there's a draw, I'll have lost my pound stake, so I'm actually down £1. So obviously on the lay side is potentially matching someone else's back request. So when I put £1 in and I asked for odds of 1.66, it upped this to £97, and we were waiting basically for someone to lay it, and that person would think that Stoke weren't going to win, and what they do then is they click there and they'd enter the amount of money that they're willing to take. So if I put a 1 in there, basically what I'm saying is I'll offer odds of 1.66 and other people can bet up to £1 on it. So someone wanting to back can bet up to £1 and I'll match that. Other people might match it at the same odds for more money, so it doesn't mean they're limited to £1. And what the exchange does is shows me what I'm risking. So basically when I'm laying, I'm saying Stoke aren't going to win, and if Stoke don't win, then I take the backer's stake, so I take £1, and if Stoke do win, then I pay out the liability on the odds, which is this is odds of 1.66, then that's 66p. guarantee. So if I submit that, you can actually see on the screen here quickly that the odds have changed slightly. So if I wanted to get a guaranteed match for my lay now, it would be, I'd have to up it to 1.67. If I put it through now, it would just be waiting for someone to back at 1.66. So we just up this to 1.67. So you go in there and we just click through and that's been matched. So just to recap, either on the back or the lay side I can either take the odds that are on the screen, or I can ask for my own odds that are slightly better, or much better, but I'm less likely to get matched if I do that, than what's available at the moment. On the back side I'm saying the event's going to occur, and on the lay side I'm saying the event isn't going to occur. All of the bets in the exchange are basically matched between people that think the event's going to occur and people that think it isn't. So obviously if the event occurs, then the person on the lay side is paying the back person's winnings, and similarly if the event doesn't occur, the person on the lay side is getting the back person's stake for any matched bets.